Are you tired of opening a case and finding the cables like this? Are you tired of untangling cables for what seems like an eternity? Do you ever have on-set frustrations that just won't go away? Then have we got a lesson for you.
If you're watching this video, then you probably checked out something that has cables in the bag. Now, one of the most common problems that we see in the equipment checkout is cables that look like this. They're all knotted, twisted, wrapped in all sorts of various ways, and it's just a big tangled mess every time you try to use it. In this video, we're going to show you how to tie it nice and tight, compact and clean every time, that drops perfectly every time you use it. Now, to tie the cable, first you want to make sure that your cable is all straight, doesn't have any knots or ties in it anywhere, and then you're going to find this little Velcro strip. Most of the cables should have one of these, and make sure you pull it all the way to the side that you're holding in your hand. Now, this is called the over-under technique. You may have heard this in some of your classes in audio and video, or you might have just heard this around. Now, it's called the over-under technique because you're going to wrap over and then under. Let me show you. So you're going to start by rolling the cable over into a loop. Whatever size loop will fit best for the case that you're using. Then you're going to go down from the bottom of the loop about the same width as the loop, and you're going to twist it under, back around to your hand. Now this should line up with the first loop, and then you're just going to repeat this over again. Over, twist outward, under. And this should lay flat every time. If your cable's sticking out or anything while you wrap it, make sure that you do that twist before you start. That's one of the most important things, is making sure that this is flat laying at all times. I'll do it again. You're going to roll over, down about the same width as the loop, and then you're going to go under, back around to itself. I'll do it a couple more times because I know myself struggled with this for a while when we first started here. So you're going to go over, twist again, and go under. Over, twist outward, under. And then you'll take this all the way back around. Both ends should line up. And you're going to take that Velcro strap that we saw at the beginning, wrap it around and make sure that's tight. Then you're going to have a nice, compact, easy to pack cable every time. And as soon as you're ready to use it, you unwrap and you drop it, and there's no tangles anywhere.